Depositing money on Square is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances effectively. Follow these steps to complete your deposit. Step 1. Create a login to a Square account. Visit the Square website or open the Square app on your device. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. If you are new, follow the prompts to create a new account. Step 2. Navigate to the deposit section. Once logged in, locate the balance or deposit section on the dashboard. This area will provide you with options related to your account balance and deposit activities. Step 3. Choose your deposit method. Select your preferred method for depositing money. Square typically offers options such as bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Step 4. Enter deposit amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and complete the deposit. Review all the details of your deposit, including the amount and payment method. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that your deposit is being processed. After completing these steps, your funds will be deposited into your Square account. If you encounter any issues, consult Square support resources for assistance.